In this video, I'm going to show you how to unpin a post on Instagram. So what you want to do is go to your Instagram and go to your profile. And if you have any posts that are pinned, they always end up showing up at the top of your area of all your posts. That's kind of the point. To pin something, it's always in front. It's always one of the few first ones of all of your post here. So what you want to do is go to the post. So there's two ways to do this. You can actually click and hold, and you'll have some options here, and you can just choose from here, unpin from profile, and it'll unpin, and then it'll be where it was uploaded in that time frame in the certain order of all of your posts. Or you can just go to your post, and you see the stats of it, and then what you want to do from here is go to the three dots at the top right of it, and then you'll have a lot of options here. But what you want to do is just go down and go to unpin from your profile, unpinning, and then you can go back. It might take a second to upload, update, and it did. So now that pin post was the first post, but now it dropped back down to number 3 where it was originally posted. So that is how you would go about unpinning a post on your Instagram page. I hope you guys found this helpful and useful, and we'll see you in the next video.